Hello my friends, welcome back to Campfire Fusion. My name is Ryan and today on the channel we're going to be talking about the Campfire Fusion Mobile. From the last video I did showing the new headlamps that will be installed, I told you guys that I'm going to also be working in the belly of the beast, meaning the engine. Now this is a 3.2 Duratec TDCI engine and we will be rebuilding the engine. It's running currently, but we have a few engine issues and it just makes sense if we're gonna fix some things, we just fix all so we don't have to go back inside here. So the plan this afternoon is to unbox my engine stand. I got my own engine stand because the work is gonna be done here at home. I'm gonna be doing everything here at home. Right? Not at a mechanic shop, right? Everything will be safe here and I can see everything that's going on. That will make me feel comfortable. So, for this video, I'm going to be unboxing my 1,500 pound engine stand, which we're going to do the work from. So, let's go. So the engine in this Ford Ranger Wild truck weighs approximately 500 pounds. And I said earlier on that this is a 1,500 pound engine stand. So this will definitely do the trick. So let's get this open. And I'm gonna be keeping this box to store the things from the engine when we're taking them off the engine block. So inside the box here we have the various parts. Now it feels real hefty. Seems to be of good quality. That must be the reason why I purchased it anyway, to purchase something good. Inside the box here, I have 3 small boxes. We have coaster wheels, I have the wheels. These seem to be the elbows for the engine angle. We have the nuts, the bolts, additional coaster, and then we have 2 more coasters on this side. So I'm just gonna get everything out and start the assembly. So based on the pieces, this will be the layout. We have this side which will be going right here, and from here we'll have this piece which will be going inside here, and then this piece will be going to the front. It has the holes at the bottom here for the coasters, so it will look something like this. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm not going to bore you guys putting the bolts in and all that. So I'm going to get back to you as soon as I'm finished bolting it up. Now I know a lot of people might be wondering, why would I get a machine instead of renting one? I see this as an investment That's number one, right? You can always rent it out or loan it to a family member. Now this is foldable, so it can be moved around quite easily. So I'm just tightening up the bolts. Remaining bolts. So put in the comment section and let me know, would you purchase one of these to get the work done at your home, so you can see exactly what is going on? You can see the work being done, the progress, right? Ensuring that all that you are required to be done on the vehicle is completed. The setup of this machine has been quite easy so far. I took a break once. So my friends, I've come to the end of the setup of this engine machine. Let me just show you around now. So it comes with an angle, of course, right? And we have a pin right here. What happened is that this here section can be rotated. So all you have to do is remove the pin, and then you can turn the engine in a different position, lock, and you carry on with the work wherever. Now these elbows can be adjusted to suit the size engine that you're working with, right? Here is where you put the bolts to be connected to the engine. So you see there's a lot of adjustments for you, right? And as you can rotate. You can rotate it as well. Another feature that I love with this, as I spoke about earlier on, it can be folded. Just need to remove this pin from this section here. Remove the pin and remove that, and just like that. You can fold it and store it just like that. I really love that feature about it. So if you don't really have much space, you can fold it easily. So this wasn't a bad one, guys, and as you can see, the tools that I use to do this was just an adjustable wrench, my socket set. It's all done. For the setup, guys, it has been completed, and I'm really looking forward to overhauling this engine, and you all can join me, right? I'll be setting up a tent next because I don't want the rain to fall and wet up inside while I'm working, and I don't have a garage to cover. So I have a tent that I'm going to put over the Campfire Fusion camping truck. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this summer to do a lot of camping. So we can all look forward to that. So if this video has inspired you, entertained you, right? I've taught you something. That's good. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video as we go through the parts of getting this camping vehicle refurbished and ready to go on the streets. So I'll see you in the next one.